In 2021, a Ring doorbell in Washington recorded something its owner never saw alive, because the victim was already inside the house when the camera activated. 38-year-old software engineer Rachel Owens returned home from work just after 8:30 p.m. Ring footage shows her unlocking the door, setting down her bag, locking up behind her. Nothing unusual, no one followed her. At 8:42 p.m., the Ring camera activated again. No motion on the porch, no person in frame. Just audio. A woman's voice, Rachel's, from inside the house. Quiet, controlled, saying one sentence: "Please don't." The clip ends. Rachel didn't answer calls that night, didn't show up for work the next morning. Police found her inside the house, dead. No forced entry. Detectives believed she knew her killer. Ring footage was dismissed until an investigator noticed something. At 8:41 p.m., 1 minute before the audio clip, the doorbell recorded a shadow moving across the porch wall, too close to the door to be seen, too still to be random. Police checked nearby cameras. They found a man hiding beside the house for nearly 20 minutes. Rachel's ex-boyfriend. Recently fired, recently blocked. He knew her routine, knew the blind spots, knew the doorbell didn't record continuously. Rachel didn't open the door to him. He was already inside when the Ring recorded her voice. The doorbell never rang for help. It recorded the moment she realized she was never alone.